You've done the research, you mapped out a clear plan, the entry is set, and the math makes sense. But just as you go to click the mouse, you freeze. Suddenly, your heart starts racing. Your palms get sweaty. You ignore the plan and click the button to close the trade early, taking a tiny profit just to make that physical anxiety go away. Then you watch the screen in agony as the stock price rockets upward, exactly as you predicted. Your math was entirely correct, but your execution failed you. This happens because you are fighting against ancient survival instincts, reflexes that evolved to keep you safe from physical predators, not fluctuations on a screen. Success in the market requires fixing your internal wiring. You have to learn to outsmart your own biology by mastering the rules of trading psychology. When you make financial decisions, your brain operates under two completely different competing systems. The first is planning mode. This is the cool, logical side of your mind that analyzes data, builds rational rules, and looks toward the future. The second is survival mode. This is a reactive, emotional system hardwired to keep you alive during sudden physical threats. Look at this model of the brain connected to a risk dial. Right now, it's sitting in that cool blue planning zone. But there is a specific line called the override threshold. When you turn up the percentage of savings risked on a single trade, you turn up the volume on danger. Once you cross that threshold, the brain flashes red and planning mode shuts down. Past this point, you aren't making financial choices anymore. You are simply reacting to biological fear. When survival mode takes the wheel, it creates specific, predictable errors that sabotage your results. Look at this chart. Notice how the price is falling, and that horizontal safety net at the bottom keeps dropping further down to avoid getting hit. That is the phantom move. Your survival brain refuses to accept the pain of being wrong, so you keep moving your safety line until a small loss becomes a disaster. Then there is the FOMO chase. Watch as the price shoots rapidly upwards. Driven by a primal fear of missing an opportunity, you hit buy right at the absolute peak, just before the price falls off a cliff. You might also experience revenge trading, that overwhelming urge to jump back into the market right after a loss to aggressively win back your money. These are rapid, chaotic actions. Winning in the market requires the opposite, calm, emotionless execution. The real danger of the survival brain is that in the heat of the moment, these panicked, reactive mistakes actually feel like smart, necessary decisions. Professional traders don't have special willpower. Instead, they use structural rules to bypass the survival brain entirely. Their first rule is keeping the risk incredibly small. Watch as this red risk dial shrinks down to a tiny 1% marker, moving the brain back into a calm blue state. By restricting the amount of money you risk to a tiny fraction of your total savings, survival mode stays dormant. Executing a trade feels as boring as pressing an elevator button. Once risk is boring, you can focus on the second professional habit, deliberate practice. Many beginners treat the market like a slot machine. A professional approaches it like this golfer, taking one focused, perfectly balanced swing. Deliberate practice means setting exactly one clear goal per session. It means studying past charts and extracting specific lessons even when the market is quiet. The market is the ultimate psychological test. By keeping your risks small and practicing with a clear purpose, you can stop your ancient brain from hijacking your modern goals.